Hum-da-dum. I'd like to draw Liliana, actually. Well, at least I can kill that with Boggart Loggers. So I can either I can either kill all of his creatures. Well, not all of them, but kill everything except the tokens and take 2 a turn, hope to draw something. Or I can take 3 and hope to draw a creature next turn. I think I'm just going to go ahead and fodder launch his Balloonist. And maybe I'll be able to chump. I don't know. Really? Maybe if I'm going to be losing, it's not worth showing him this interaction. I don't know. Basically, we're hoping for Warren Pilferers here. Okay. Pax Disdain does literally nothing with no creatures, so I'm glad to see that there's no point in me typing anything. Lol. Okay. You know, maybe it's good for the health of Magic, but I really missed stacking damage. Can't see how he doesn't have a spell, but Warren Pilferers can still save me. Nope. Alright. I think a severe issue there was my choice of using Footbottom Feast as a 1-for-1, basically. Like a reverse bounce spell kind of thing. If I had held on to it for a little longer, it would have done a lot more for me. I'm actually going to go down to 17 land. I'll be on the draw. I need more creatures that can just, like, block and trade. Fester Creep seems like it'll be pretty good against him. And by pretty good, just will allow me to not immediately die to Cloud Goat Ranger. I could play some Grey Ogres, but I think that's good. Oh, I'm not on the draw. I forgot. I lost. This hand is quite risky. Yeah, I'm not keeping it, because... Okay, that's quite a lot better. On the other hand, I basically had no plays before turn 4, really. I could have cycled with Footbottom Feast, which is horrible. And I could have killed one of my lands with Shard Volley, which is like my least favorite thing to do when playing this game, is cast Shard Volley before like the 4th turn. Well, that's interesting. I'm actually going to cast Tar Pitcher here. No, you. I hate you. So do I want to, like, try to get a bunch of his creatures with Final Revels? Seems a bit risky to me. He's playing, like, Inner Flame Acolytes. I'd rather do this. Like some goblin tokens with Warren Weirding and kill his Wizened Sin. Well, that's not so bad. Yoink. So basically we're gonna block, hope he doesn't have Surge of Thought Wift, and kill his Sin with a token. If I wanted to be particularly sneaky, I could block it and also, like, kill this in and accelerate my removal of his board, but I don't really want to do that. That's okay. So, yeah, I got a Shard Volley that. Yeah, I think a huge problem with my deck is the lack of viable win conditions. Or just drawing a bunch of land. That's pretty bad for me, too. Warren Pilferers. Is that his Cloud Goat Ranger? Innerflame Acolyte. The question is, do I just Final Rebels now, or hope that he plays another creature that I can kill? I would take, conceivably, 6 damage. In the worst case scenario, I would take 12 damage. And if he has another Innerflame Acolyte. Also, since I've waited so long to make the decision, he could just get spooked and not play anything. So I'm just going to kill his creatures there. Oh, right. Yeah, we're keeping Foot Bottom Feast. Thank you. Yeah, he doesn't want to trade. I'm not going to Foot Bottom Feast now because... Or, wait, I didn't even have it in my hand. What was I thinking? I was so anticipating it. Can't swing. He's got Vigilance. It'd just be better for him.